Today I will be organizing my drawer full of t-shirts, so keep watching on how I went from this messy drawer into that clean, organized, and much more better looking drawer. Keep watching. Okay, so as you can see, this is my drawer full of all my t-shirts, and it wouldn't even close. So I took all my t-shirts out and laid it on my bed, and it was time to start all over. So my goal is to fit all of those t-shirts into this one small drawer. So what I'm going to do to every single t-shirt is fold it like this. So basically it's a pamphlet fold. Fold the left side into the middle, the right side into the middle, like how I'm doing over here. And then basically just smooth out the wrinkles, and then fold that rectangle in half like so. Then all you have to do now is just roll it into a little burrito. As you can see, it saves a lot of space. And let me just show you one more time with my popcorn shirt. Fold the left side in, the right side in, smooth out the wrinkles, fold the rectangle in half, and then all you have to do is roll it up like a little burrito. As you can see, it's very fast and effective. I just did two in under like 30 seconds. It really doesn't take that much time, and it saves so much space. So here I am all done, and I counted 26 t-shirts in total. So 26 t-shirts that I have to fit inside my little drawer. So I wanted to color coordinate it, so I did all the dark colors. So all my black t-shirts, blue, purple, and then green t-shirts first, and then I put in the pink and the white, and then together I basically had two layers stacking upon each other. As you can see, now it's so much more clean. And here I am putting the last t-shirt in, and honestly this organization just made me feel so much better. So now every time I go in my room, I feel like very clean, very organized, and I actually feel accomplished by myself. Every time I open the drawer, it doesn't make me feel slouchy. It makes me actually want to work. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Support my channel by subscribing. Goodbye.